In this video, you'll learn how to link Calendly to SamCart. This integration will allow you to automate your customer management processes by updating records whenever an invitee is created in Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the option labeled Integrations and Apps to access various integration settings. After selecting Integrations and Apps, you will see a list of available integrations. Look for the section titled API and Webhooks and click on it. This section allows you to manage API settings and webhooks for your Calendly account. Once in the API and webhook section, you will find options to create a new webhook. Click on the button that says Create a Webhook. A form will appear where you need to enter the details for your webhook. In the web creation form, you will need to specify the event you want to trigger the web script. Select the event labeled Invite Created from the drop-down menu. This event will send data to your server whenever a new invitee is created in Calendly. Next, you will need to enter the URL of your server where the webhook data will be sent. Ensure that your server is configured to handle incoming requests and process the data accordingly. After entering the URL, click on the Create Webhook button to finalize the setup. After successfully creating the webhook, it is essential to verify that it is functioning correctly. You may want to test the webhook by creating a new invitee in Calendly and checking if your server receives the data as expected. This confirmation is crucial for ensuring that the integration works seamlessly. Now that the webhook is set up, the next step involves using the SamCart API to update customer records. You will need to write a script on your server that listens for incoming web data from Calendly and then uses the SamCart API to update the relevant customer information based on the invitee data. This integration provides you with the most control over how customer data is managed between Calendly and SamCart. However, it is important to note that this process requires a technical setup, including knowledge of webhooks and API usage. Ensure that you have the necessary skills or resources to implement this integration effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.